All right, my friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 3-minute morning warm-up for you. Short and sweet practice. We're going to get right into it. I'm going to meet you back here and we're going to start with an angel breath. So from here, go ahead and ground evenly through the feet. Take a big full breath in through the nose. Sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, soften and release those arms down. 2 more times. Inhale, float the arms high to the sky. Full breath in. Full breath out. Lower the hands down. Last round. Inhale, float the arms. Sweep it up. Tall mountain. Exhale, let it go. So good for you. Shake the wrist out. Give it a little stretch. Maybe shake out the hips a little bit. All right, from here, place the hands down by the sides. Keep the shoulders nice and loose, maybe a couple shoulder rolls in one direction and the other reverse when you're ready. Nice, and then with the hands loose, inhale, bring the hands up to about shoulder height. Exhale, push that energy away, releasing hands down. Couple more rounds, inhale. Really embodying this breath, feeling it through the tips of your toes all the way through the crown of the head. Exhale. Again, inhale, bring the hands up. Softly float the hands down. Maybe you close the eyes for these last 2 rounds. Inhale up. Exhale, release. One more time, in breath. Exhale, let it go. Nice, shake it out. All right, we're gonna do single leg kicks. Well, knee lifts first. Press into the left foot. Right foot kind of steps back. Bring that knee up. You can have a chair close by if that serves you better. And just keep this going, really focusing on balance. Having grace to come out at any point. Feel that wiggle, that shake in the other knee or in the other foot. So the foot that's on the earth. Here we go. We'll do a couple more rounds. 3, 2, 1. See if you can start to evolve these into a kick. So kick it out, bring it back. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Second side, shake that out. Nice, press into the right foot. Here we go, left foot kicks back, knee lift first. Come on out of there if you ever need to. Have that grace to come back to your practice when you're ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick it out. Belly's drawing in towards the spine. You got this. For 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Shake it out. Let all that go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and sink the hips down. Extend the arms. Inhale, rise up. So it's like a mini squat. The feet are wide. Lower down and rise. Lower. Exhale that air out. In breath, bring it in. 2 more. Exhale. Inhale. Last time. Hold here. Keep breathing. Maybe pulse up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Inhale, take the arms high to the sky. Tall mountain. Exhale, let it go. Nice job. That was your 3-minute warm-up. Thank you for joining me. If we've not met, I am Emily. I'm a yoga instructor, a registered nurse and wellness professional, and I love guiding people through practices just like this so that they can feel strong, confident, and excited in their own skin, in their own body at any age. You can definitely check out my website. The information is in the links below. And then if you've not gotten it already, go ahead and head over to my website. Grab your Gentle Stride Guide. This is a great resource for anybody that's looking to start an in-home walking or fitness program. Lots of info in here. Definitely check it out. Totally free. I wrote it for you and I want you to enjoy it. Please share and like with other people that might want to connect as well. All right. If you need more, you can check out my other videos. If you got a balance, great job today. Thanks for being here. I'll see you again soon. Bye.